Okay, let's continue our previous discussion. Okay, this one is completed. Okay, come to the. I've already sent you a PDF file. We'll discuss from that. Okay, one example is also with me. Some problems are also with me. You can solve it at your home. Just I'm showing it. Wait. Okay. In a group of 100 students, 40 are taking algebra, 30 are taking biology, and 20 are taking both algebra and biology. If a student chosen at random is taking algebra, what is the probability that he or she is taking biology? This is the question. So what is the probability that he or she is taking biology? So these are suppose A and B, A for algebra, B for biology. Okay. So 40 are taking, let me use the marker. So 40 are taking algebra. So this is 40 and 30 are taking biology. Okay. So this is 30. Now total number of sample space is 100. Total size is 100. Okay. So now and 20 are taking both algebra and biology. So this one is given 20. Okay. Both case is 20. If a student chosen at random is taking algebra, what is the probability that he is or she is taking biology? So the probability of a student chosen at random is taking algebra. So that is probability of what is the probability that he is taking biology. Probability of B given it is chosen from the algebra. Okay, a student is chosen from algebra. That's why I have taken the conditional probabilities. The given probability is A, and we have to predict what is the probability that that person is uh, means taking biology. Okay, so we are considering this is the conditional probability. Okay, probability of B given A. So B means biology, A for algebra. And what is the probability that he or she is taking a biology subject? We are considering the data from algebra. This algebra means group. Okay, and we have to calculate this one. So this is the conditional probability as I told you in the previous example. So this is probability of A intersection B, A intersection B. That means A and B, probability of A and B division by probability of A. Okay, so that formula you just apply over here. So this will be exactly what is the intersection. So 20 by probability of A is 40. So this is 1 by 2, that is a 50% chance. So this is there is a 50% chance. Okay, that the girl is she is he or she is taking a biology. What is the probability? That is the probability 50% chance is there that he or she is taking biology. Okay, so this is given. It is if a student is chosen randomly is taking algebra. So this one is given. So that's why I'm mentioning that probability of A is given, you have to find the probability of B. So this is conditional probability. Now come to another example. In a group of 100 students, 40 were randomly put in Monday art class and independence of that event, that means the next event is not dependent on the Monday art class. So 30 students were randomly put in a Tuesday botany class. Okay. So this is not dependent. Maybe same people, same students may join in this group also. Those who are joining in art class, that they can also join in botany class. So art class is I am taking as A and botany class as B. If a student chosen at random in the art class, okay, and what is the probability that he or she is also a botany also in botany class? Okay, what is the probability? So probability of B, a student chosen in the art class. So same formula. Probability of B given probability of A. So we have chosen the student from the art class. That's why this is we know that the condition is already mentioned that we are choosing students from art class. So this that's why probability of A intersection B by intersection B and division by probability of A. So that's the total answer is um, okay. Now something is not available like the previous previous example. Here probability of A intersection B is not given. Here probability of A is given, probability of B is given, but probability of A intersection B is not given. But here it is mentioned that it is a independent event. For independent event, you should know that the probability of A intersection B, A intersection B, okay, A sorry, probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A equal to probability of A into probability of B into probability of B. So that thing you have to multiply. So probability of A is how much? 40 by 100. Probability of B is 30 by 100. So that is probability A intersection B is 40 by 100 into 30 by 100. Probability of B. Okay. So this is 100. So this is 12. Okay. 12 and this 100 exactly you can say zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.3, that is 0.12. So this is 0.12. Okay, so this much is intersection, that value you can put over here, and probability of A is given, that is 40. So that thing you can put over here, 40 by 100, this is 0.12. So that you will get some values. Okay, this way you can solve this problem. Okay, this is another example. Here the data are available in terms of contingency table, where this is called contingency table, having some values over here. Means okay, we'll discuss it later maybe. Okay, for today's class we will stop over here. Maybe tomorrow we'll continue from here. Okay, is this fine, everyone? The same problem we'll discuss, but based with Bayes theorem, and these examples will connect with this. Okay. It's already 9:05, so I am closing the session. If anybody having any doubt, you can ask. Okay, let me stop the presentation. Okay, if you don't have any question, then you can leave. Thank you.